Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm glad you're here and that you like my channel. I hope this video will help you to know what this economic game is all about. I am a member of WestHub community. If you don't know what the WestHub community is all about, take a look. There are many useful things in that group. In this video we will talk about new economic game called Mage Wars or Mage Wars. On my channel there are already several videos about this game. If you go to the how to earn video playlist tab, you can see that the first video it was created even before the launch. The second video where I have calculated everything in tables, income and expenses. And the third video is a complete guide on registration. I will fully open my account, show my progress, share my strategy and explain how to shorten the payback period and earn more in less time. And I will start with the advantages of this game today. Always pay attention on the date of the video publication. For those who are new to the channel, I will say that I do not invite everyone here. You can verify this by watching my videos. In some of them, I frankly warn you that you don't need to come here. But I am not a harsh critic, therefore friends, if you are not subscribed yet, be sure to be subscribed. And over time, you will see that this channel will become one of the most useful in your collection. But not to miss new videos and learn valuable information first, click on the bell icon. It will help you at least not lose money and ideally earn more. Let's go to my account, and by the way, for those who don't know how to register, I will leave a link with instruction in the description under this video and also a hint on the screen. You can go and open the full version playlist with this video so you can study it more thoroughly. The project was registered by me through wallet. You can see that there is $2.5 on my balance right now. Let's go to the browser. Here's my tower. It's visible that I have activated level 4 and 3 mages are working. This brings me 4670 mana per hour. Here you can see how much I have of what, but also the advantages of friends. The dynamics of the project's development are well visible here. If you open the previous video, there was significantly less total towers there. This is the number of towers, that is the number of people who entered. Here you can see how much BNB is in the project in total, which is the dynamics, and these dynamics help to determine the exit point in timely manner, which is significantly more important than the entry point. The reliability of these numbers is confirmed by 2 independent audits of the smart contract, which anyone can open and read. To do this, it is enough to click on the document icon next to the Twitter icon. Audit number 1, audit number 2. Everyone interested can open it. And what I also liked here is that in case I suddenly want to exit by clicking the button, and here it is visible that I have the opportunity to sell my tower. That is, sell tower and receive compensation for 14 days. This is also cool and to some extent entice hands. However, friends, the presence of a smart contract does not guarantee absolute reliability. Remember that in any internet project, to some extent there are risks, they are just different everywhere. If you compare it with other scams, where there is no smart contract, where the project is centralized, where you do not see any numbers, statistics and dynamics, it is extremely difficult to predict the exit point there because the money withdrawals are not controlled by any person or administrator on the other side of the screen, but by a smart contract that is in the blockchain that has passed the 2 audits. The risks are significantly lower than in any centralized intranet project without smart contracts. So let's look at my progress. I must collect profit here at the bottom. Do you see? Yes, 100%. That is, it's filled up 100%. If I don't collect the profit now, the mages won't produce anything because it's already filled up. This needs to be done once a day. And it's important not to forget. Let's see how much is added. So I have 595 now, and I press the collect button. Mana cost 8 cents per transaction. I confirm the transaction is successful. Now let's see what I have. It's 689 and 9 now, and that's my profit. I can easier exchange it for runes to upgrade my tower or simply reinvest it. Alternatively, I could sell it and withdraw the money for example in BNB. I registered on Sunday, so it's been 2 days. Let's calculate how much it will be in dollars. Let's go back to the account to show you how to withdraw money. For example, let's say I withdraw 0.001 BNB, that's 30 cents. I don't want more. I have 5,000 mana and I press it. The transaction fee is 5 cents. The transaction is successful and we go to the wallet where we see that the money has been credited. It's instant. Let me explain why I don't want to withdraw the money. I want to upgrade the tower to get more profit per day. The payback period depends on the tower's level. For a complete pass, the payback period is 40 to 48 days. It depends on what level your tower is. There is a 10% affiliate program for active members, and there are also complex percentage. Thanks to complex percentage, you can pay off much faster. Let me demonstrate how it works. As I see it, I have already purchased 3 magicians. I want 4, so I press the add button. I need 20,000 runes, and then the daily profit will increase by 2.380 mana. And off we go. According to the calculator, my current hourly profit is 4,670. Let's calculate how much that is in dollar per day. We move to the calculator. 4.670 per hour multiplied by 24 hours equals the daily profit in mana. It's 112,080. In this mana coins, 100 mana equals 0.402 BNB, so in total we need this number. Dividing by 100 and multiplying by this number gives 0.203 BNB. How much is this in dollars? Let you see the same exchange rate, say 305, and multiply by 0.003 by it. That gives us $683 or almost $7. Let's calculate the payback period. I started with $200. We divide that by $7 and my payback period as of day is 29 days. When I buy the next magician, my daily profit will increase by 23.80, so my current profit is 46.70. Let's go back to the calculator. Adding 23.80 to 46.70 give us 70.50 per hour, or multiplied by 23, it's 69,1200 per day. Divided by 100 and 1692 multiplied by 0.402 BNB. The result is 4.3384. Multiply that by $305 and we get $10.3 per day, starting with 200. We divide that by 10.3 and our payback period is now 19 days. This is how compound interest works, and this is why I don't want to withdraw my money yet. The game is very new, and at the beginning it's profitable to level up as much as possible. This is approximately how I progress and share my strategy. Let me show you how to convert it to runes. I click on swap and choose max. I will receive 6.849 runes. I have 11.9 thousand runes approved, so I need to collect a bit more. I have 11.9 thousand runes approved, which means I need to collect a little more to buy 4 mages at level 4 with such activity. With this trend, I hope to buy them all in a week and a half. That's it, friends. You need to remember that any earnings on the internet, no matter what they are, whether it's trading or exchanges, are always associated with risk, despite what anyone may tell you. I will emphasize again that there are risks here as well, but they are minimal. Considering all the factors that I listed at the beginning, risk will be much higher here in months and a half or 2, and then I'm unlikely to recommend this game to anyone. Also, please subscribe to my channel for more interesting financial reviews. Thank you for watching, subscribing, liking and commenting, and see you in the next video.